Alright guys, we are in a '07 Jeep Liberty today, and I need to take the radio out. This one's real simple. If you look underneath here, you've got a screw right there that needs to come out. And then once that screw's gone, this whole panel around the radio and the AC controls, this pocket, this just pops out. See a little panel popper like so. Just kind of work it around. And then this guy, I usually just kind of pull down. You don't have to remove this. You have plenty of room to take the radio out. Then you just have 4 screws holding the radio in. Once the screws are removed, just pull the radio out. And this guy should just have a normal wire harness and antenna to unplug.